Taipa village under the moonlight, searching for K-pop in the dark of night. Neon signs and posters bright, K-pop vibes, feeling just right. K-pop hunting all around in Taipa village, music found, nighttime stroll, meandering call, K-pop signs, they have it all. Cafe show stars, they all know. People in the streets, they all want to go. Murals of idols, shining stars, K-pop dreams, near and far. K-pop hunting all around in Taipa village, music found, nighttime stroll, meandering call, K-pop signs, they have it all. Street, K-pop signs and food to eat, finding references big and small. K-pop love, they feel it all. K-pop hunting all around in Taipa village, music found, nighttime stroll, meandering call, K-pop signs, they have it all.
Okay, that building right there, it's written in Korean. It says welcome. That one is like, I don't know if it's a K-pop pop-up store or what it is, but I just walked in and it had a bunch of Korean music and Korean things. I'm gonna try not to be copyright issues, so I'm gonna try to go past it, but it is right there. And I'm just going to go up the steps and then we're going to come down to Food Street and I'll kind of explain everything to you. Let me just kind of show you where we're going to walk. So we're going to be walking down that way in a minute. So stay tuned. Macau, let's put this up on the map. Taipa village, nighttime, strolling around, looking for K-pop references. So yeah, actually Stray Kids, this major band, is playing in Macau. And we're just kind of walking around at nighttime. The show is actually going at the same time, so we're not going to catch all the fans that we might if it was a lot earlier. or maybe even a lot later. Although I think the crowds are young. But nonetheless, let's get into this one. So let me put the lyrics up. I created the lyrics with AI, and then I fed it into another program that generated the music. So I put it in a Portuguese style. So anyways, let's get right into it before that noise starts. I do the walk and talk where I narrate and go through Taipa village at nighttime. Okay, so we're at another, looks like another, they're definitely catering towards the K-pop. So it's another K-pop. And this is the one up on the hill. So we're gonna, my plan, and Ross on the other side of this, of where we're just at. And I'm just gonna giving you a taste of Taipa village, but there's a K-pop event over there, Galaxy Casino. It's Stray Kids today and yesterday. So that's what all the people are about. We also have the nice skyline right now. And then we're on the other side of where this, what I thought was maybe a pop-up store. We're just gonna highlight that real quick and then we're gonna go down Kunigai. But this is just an idea so you can see, okay, here's more of Lino. Looks like another pop-up stuff. I was just talking to a restaurant owner and they were telling me that that there's people from coming as far as Dubai. She mentioned, I think, Dubai and Europe, just to come to this event, the Stray Kids one. Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're just kind of showing you Taipa village, and we're just gonna also look and see. I don't think we're gonna see any, but the show I think already started, so I don't think we're gonna see the fans tonight, unless they if they have tickets. We're not gonna see them, but they're over there. It's called Galaxy. So there's Galaxy Casino, and it's and this Taipa village area is just around the corner from it. So let's meander down. These walls have something new, some new paint to them. Luggage. And then this is the street that we're going to go down. And that one, there's actually some rooftops. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Are you taking a vlog?
I am, yeah. So I got a YouTube channel.
Ah, can we follow you?
Yeah. So we're gonna go straight down this way. So we're gonna come on down. So this is all the rooftop down that way, and we got a lot of people coming down. So let me just see if we can come down like this. So say hello to the two girls. They're from Hong Kong, so they were coming down to. I asked them if they were here for the. I turned off the camera and then I showed them the video so they can subscribe later. Okay. Very friendly. So let's go straight down this busy street and we're gonna see what other kind of K-pop stuff we can see around here. And I think, oh, here's one right here. So that's Stray Kids World Tour, Felix. And there's another one. Oh, Tiger Sugar, so this is actually connected to it. So Tiger Sugar, I think, is promoting one of the promotion ones. Okay, so let's walk down and see what else we can see. Galaxy is straight ahead, straight down the street. So what we'll do is there's actually a lot more to walk down and see, but it actually keeps on changing too. There's like this one right here I haven't seen before, Taipa. Actually, there's a restaurant up at the top. Like during COVID, everything was pretty quiet and kind of dead, so it's strange to me to see how lively and how many of the shops are just kind of back. So we are going to go down this way. Let me see. Got a little Christmas thing because it's already November. It's almost December 1st today. Tomorrow. So you see these. This right here is called Dragon Park. Got some period pieces there. And you can kind of see the scales of the dragon along the wall there. So we probably will walk down that way. There it is right there. So there's a dragon head and the scale that goes all the way. So the one shop that we saw that was like a K-pop pop-up store was right there, the red one. So that's where we started. Tiger Sugar had some Stray Kids World Tour things. And we're going to be walking down the main Macau Street, which is one of the busiest streets. There are all these little alleys everywhere as well. Okay. So we're also looking for any kind of K-pop references. There it goes. This is a nice busy street down that way. But this street that we're on is much busier. And I think my understanding is that the K-pop event already started, I believe. It's about 6 p.m. So we're not going to see that many fans now, but I think earlier there was a lot, I heard. I didn't come out until kind of late today. There's so many people. Check out the crowds over here too. So these crowds go all the way down, and I believe that they're all lining up for this egg cart right there. Then these are lined up for the, I think, people. Okay. So yeah. So it looks like maybe Tiger Sugar was the big one for the K-pop types of things. Oh, this one is kind of a Macau one. I want to see. Did you see the video?
Yes, so you can. But I didn't see the video.
Oh, you didn't see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna walk down into this little plaza right here. I just stopped to show him the video, so I filmed the street maybe about a week and a half ago or so. So we're just gonna cross and go into the alleys. And I don't expect that we're gonna see much K-pop stuff, but I'm just gonna bring you into the K-pop, the Taipa village area, so you can kind of have an idea of what it looks like. But anyways, pretty lively. It's a Saturday evening, and Galaxy, the Cotai Strip, is just around the corner. Not even 10-minute walk, I guess, in total, maximum. I thought there might be something here for an event for the K-pop. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna walk down to the main street, and we're just kind of giving an idea of a slice of Taipa village. You probably saw the map earlier. You can see it's a little bit of a labyrinth of things. There's no real good systematic way to go through it, and usually I just film streets generally, so this one will be a little bit different. I guess we'll just call it searching for K-pop in Taipa Village, I guess. Even though we don't have a lot of K-pop. Okay, so now we're out on this main street. And we're probably going to be ending this video very shortly. And then there's this little square up here. They got pizza. Actually, I've been filming a little bit more of Taipa Village lately because it's just so lively and active. So I actually filmed that one when they were when they painted that this red building. But anyways, we're going to be ending this video. So so it's just kind of a way to give you a little image of Taipa Village on a Saturday night more than anything. And there's a galaxy up there again. And we're not going to see any evidence of the K-pop fans at this time because they're all at the show. I guess I came out a little bit late today, so I kind of missed all of that. Lots of people around though. And then I'm just gonna walk in here, get something to eat at a restaurant I know. And so that's gonna be it for Taipa Village. A little bit of, oh, you can see the casino straight ahead, way in the distance up there. So, all right, Taipa Village.